Good morning, you guys, and welcome to TET Salon's first safer at home how-to video. In this video, I am demonstrating the HYDROLOC system by Basic Hair Care. I chose this system for my hair because I am lacking moisture bad. And what we do when we lack? We gotta restore. Okay, our first step is applying the clarifying shampoo. Now, in order to make sure you get a good lather, you want to rinse your hair of any grease or oils that you may have on your hair already. Here I wanted to point out how well I'm able to detangle my hair with the shampoo on it. I'm just really trying to work the clarifying through, but some other shampoos, they don't allow you to detangle your hair very easily, but with the basic clarifying, no problem. Okay, third step, you guys, is applying the second shampoo, which is the HYDROLOC moisturizer shampoo. Now, this shampoo is really liquidy, so you have to be careful on how much you use because you really don't need a whole lot. And it can fool you because it's really liquidy. It's not formed like most shampoos. So just be careful not to use too much. Now that all the shampoo is rinsed out, go ahead and towel block your hair because you don't want it too drippy wet for the conditioner. You guys, please don't mind my sides. I'm about to get me some quarantine braids in a little bit, so I'll get cleaned up later. Now it's time to rinse the conditioner, and y'all know you're supposed to use cold water. Now don't treat yourself because you're at home. Make sure you use that cool water to rinse out your conditioner. Okay, this is nice and cool. It's a good temperature for me. Now, the reason we use the cool water to rinse out the conditioner is so that we'll seal in everything that I just put in, which is all the hydration and moisture. So the cool water seals it all in, locking in that moisture and hydration. Okay, now that the conditioner is out, I rinsed it with cool water. I towel blotted it a little bit, and then I'm going to go in with my leave-in Mega Moisture conditioner. Get it all on there, nice and good. Painting back my sides. And then you just get my leave-in. Going to add extra moisture, the cuticle blend lotion. About that much. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And if you were looking to purchase products, be sure to go on TET Salon's website at www.tetsalon.com, or you can even call the salon 727-321-2255. Check out my quarantine braids. And don't forget to follow me at Myron Styles on Instagram and Facebook.